The BioFitness Center is a new wellness clinic that optimizes your health, intelligence, and abilities. This is not a medical clinic that diagnoses or treats diseases. Welcome to this introduction to BioFitness, a new standard for optimal health, vitality, and performance. Focusing on dissolving chronic biological stress to bring out your best. With mind-body health and human development. This new understanding of our bioelectric human system leads to powerful yet gentle methods to help people of all ages overcome limitations and thrive. Let's start with an overview of the human system. We are not machines. We are living electric gel water beings. Our bodies are mostly water, but a special kind, liquid crystalline gel water, conducts bioelectricity. This allows cells, organs, and systems to communicate rapidly via electrical signals. DNA sends out photonic signals carrying biological information. The nervous system, connective tissues, and acupuncture meridians transmit data as electricity, light, and radio waves. Our cells, organs, and systems work together as a unified, coherent system when operating optimally. Now, chronic biological stress disrupts this communication system. Stress causes bioelectric interference in circuits and pathways. Over time, toxins, traumas, poor nutrition, EMFs, and more create a stress load that leads to exhaustion, disease, and dysfunction. But IT stress is not a disease itself, but it creates the conditions for it. It undermines health at the cellular level. Let's look briefly at 7 key types of biological stress. Neurosensory motor. Brain nerve. Immune system. Learning. Mental and emotional. Nutritional. Social. These stresses build on each other, progressively compromising health. Conventional medicine does not effectively address this root cause of so many ailments. This brings us to the concept of biofitness. It means optimizing the body's bioelectric communication system by identifying and clearing chronic stress patterns. As critical biocircuits are rebalanced, the whole system gains coherence and an efficient flow of energy and information. There are 5 key aspects of biofitness. 1 is physical. This includes reflexes, coordination, strength, and endurance. 2 is the brain. This includes cognition, memory, awareness, and focus. 3 is mental. Here we look at clarity, positivity, optimism, and resilience. 4 is cognitive. This is speed, comprehension, reasoning, creativity. 5 is social and includes communication, emotional intelligence, empathy. Becoming biofit means circuits are operating at full capacity to support optimal functioning. It is a prerequisite for true health and realizing one's full human potential. The BioFitness system uses a comprehensive system to help clients achieve biofitness. It is not medical treatment, but personal development support to clear limitations. We start with a biocircuit assessment to identify problem areas. Then we apply a range of methods to rebalance circuits and dissolve chronic stress patterns. Therapeutic conversation. Movement exercises. Conscious breathing. Biofeedback devices. Sound and light therapies. Essential oil formulas. Life coaching. This system incorporates rapid resets for trauma, activating learning circuits, transforming shame, detoxification, and more. It is powerfully effective yet gentle. People feel energized and empowered. BioFit individuals bounce back from stressors. They excel in sports and academics. Problems with focus, anxiety, chronic pain, and more are greatly improved. Children gain learning ability, confidence, and happiness. Every child should become BioFit. BioFitness allows people to overcome limitations and thrive. It fulfills our calling to greatness as human beings. We are capable of so much love, creativity, and accomplishment. Yet patterns of chronic stress hold us back from realizing our highest good. When these are resolved, our natural state of health, inner peace, and compassion emerge. Now we will make discoveries about energy, information, and accelerated human development. Overview of some fascinating new scientific understandings about our human biocircuitry and how to optimize it. You'll be introduced to principles from physics, biology, psychology, and ancient mind-body therapies that lead to a new model of the human system. This model is called the electrodynamic biocommunication. It sees our bodies and brains as amazing bioelectric systems, constantly generating, conducting, and communicating with different frequencies of energy and information. When our biocircuits are flowing optimally, we experience greater health, vitality, and intelligence. When they get scrambled, slowed, or blocked, we suffer physically, mentally, and emotionally. The key features of this biocommunication model are 7 biological circuit systems. The electrical role of water. Emotions as an integrative bioregulative system. Information transduction through neural networks. You'll get an overview of cutting-edge scientific research as well as proven methods to upgrade your biocircuits. Let's begin our journey into the invisible worlds within us that create our life experiences. 7 biocircuit systems. Our bodies are composed of different biological circuits that handle energy and information. There are at least 7 interactive biocircuit systems recognized by scientists and natural health practitioners. 1 acu-meridians, energy pathways described in Chinese medicine. 2 neuromotor reflexes, rapid, coordinated muscle responses. 3 neural networks, interconnected neurons supporting brain function. 4 sensory circuits, pathways carrying signals from seeing, hearing, taste, smell, and touch. 5 connective tissue matrix, a web of fibers supporting biocommunication. 6 DNA and biophotons, light emissions from DNA and cells. 7 neuro-lymphatic system, nervous and lymphatic communication. Part 1. Acu-meridians, connective tissue, and the neuro-lymphatic system facilitate communication between different parts of the body through bioelectrical signaling. The senses take in information from the outside world and transmit it as electrical signals to the brain through dedicated sensory nerve circuits. Within the brain, neural networks handle perception, thinking, emotions, and behavior through electrochemical signaling between interconnected neurons. Recent research suggests DNA may also contribute to biocommunication through the emission of weak light photons within and between cells. Optimizing the flow in these biocircuits results in positive changes throughout the whole mind-body system. Part 2. The electrical role of water. You may be surprised to learn that water plays a key electrical role in the optimal functioning of the brain, nerves, and neurons. Water can shift into a special hexagonal lattice organization. In this liquid crystalline state, it becomes more viscous and alkaline. This structured water forms an electrically charged matrix around cells, nerves, and DNA. It enables faster conduction of bioelectrical signals. Adequate hydration and supporting water's liquid crystalline structure are essential for peak mind-body performance. Part 3. Emotions. Integrative bioregulative system. Emotions are commonly thought to be fleeting mental sensations separate from bodily processes. However, the latest science reveals that emotions operate throughout the entire body as an integrative bioregulative system. The circuitry and chemistry of emotions like fear, joy, anger, disgust, and surprise have been hardwired into our biology through millions of years of evolution. Emotions are happening, whether you are conscious of them or not. They integrate the activities of the nervous, hormonal, and immune systems. Emotions are neither good nor bad. They provide information about our environment and inner state. Emotions motivate behavior essential for survival and social engagement. However, chronic emotional distress has tremendously harmful effects on health and functioning. Self-regulating emotions is a crucial skill for well-being. Part 4. Information transduction. The human body is continuously receiving, processing, and transmitting information chemically and electrically. This biological information processing from external stimuli or internal states is called transduction. For example, light waves hitting your retina get translated into electrochemical signals racing up the optic nerve to create a visual experience in the brain. One puzzling question is exactly how this electrobiochemical activity translates into our familiar stream of conscious thoughts, images, and feelings. The mechanics of consciousness remain elusive. As we learn and heal, these biological information processes change the anatomical structure of connections between brain cells, altering the pathways of information flow. Our conscious choices and experiences are constantly modulating the electrodynamic activity of genes, nerves, and organs as well. Part 5. Accelerated human development. The new science of intentionally developing human potential I call accelerated human development. It applies biocircuit principles to grow, heal, and actualize faster and easier in all stages of life. We can maximize vitality, intelligence, creativity, and gratitude by understanding our biocircuitry and using proven methods to upgrade it. The ultimate goal of accelerated human development is for each person to fully blossom with their unique talents and highest virtues to create fulfilling lives and a thriving world. Part 6. Biocircuit optimization. By stimulating reflex points on the head, face, and hands. This opens the flow in the cranial nerves and upper body meridians. By activating the eye muscles, this coordinates the brain hemispheres and enhances visual processing. Deep breathing with arm movements will increase oxygenation while flushing lymphatic toxins. This sequence uses acupressure, reflexology, eye yoga, breathwork, and somatic movement to optimize biocircuits. Get ready to feel more relaxed, focused, energized, and uplifted. I hope you've enjoyed this quick tour of the new science of human biocircuitry and experienced some of its benefits. Though invisible, these biological energy and information circuits play a huge role in generating the qualities of our moment-to-moment experience. Our incredible human potential is unlocked when we understand how to upgrade our bioelectric systems for peak performance. I welcome you to begin practicing biocircuit optimizing activities and start creating more joy, connection, and contribution through this new understanding. Thank you for learning with me today. Keep unfolding to your full potential.